All right, guys, check it out, man. I got a new clipper right here, the Caliber Professional Disruptor ZR. I had a class yesterday in Cleveland, Texas. Fort Worth Barber Supply pulled up and they said, Tank, we got this new Caliber Disruptor ZR clipper. What you think about it? I said, man, I ain't used it yet. So they said, you know what, take this with you. Take this with you, do an unboxing, do a video on it. Let the people know, let the audience know what you think about this Caliber clipper. Now, I've used a couple Caliber clippers before. My personal favorite was the 50 cal, the BMG 50 cal or 50 cal BMG. I don't remember what it was called, but it was like the 50 cal, but it was the different model one. It wasn't like the original one that came out. But nonetheless, like I said, we have this new Disruptor clipper. We got a little bit of glare on it due to the plastic thing, plastic wrap around it. But we're gonna go ahead and unbox this for y'all. That's all this video is gonna be, is an unboxing. Me unboxing this tool. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure to smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe, because you know your boy be dropping gems, dropping different unboxings, different reviews, tutorials, anything barber related you could think about, your boy drops on this channel. So y'all make sure to subscribe for more content. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna read some of the stuff on the box for y'all, show y'all what comes in the box, let y'all know what I think about it as far as ergonomics and weight and feel of it. And then, yeah, man, that's basically what we're gonna be doing in this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Let's get it. All right, so like I said, they got this plastic wrap on it, so we can go ahead and take that off first. That way y'all can see the box a little better. You know, that plastic wrap be making it hard to see. But as you can see, man, we got that Caliber Professional Disruptor ZR. Check that out right there. All right, but let's read some of the stuff on here. So it is a vector motor, and if you're not sure what a vector motor is, if you're kind of not hip to the game, a vector motor is probably one of the strongest motors they have out. It has some downsides to it. The vibration is a little more, you know, there's more vibration to a clipper, and a lot of times blades happen to get hot when you have a vector motor because the blade moves so quickly. So like I said, there are some downsides, but there are some pros to it. You know, super powerful, debulks really well, and can really just take down bulk effortlessly. So there's pros and cons to it, like everything, right? But yeah, man, this is a vector motor clipper, as y'all can see. So upon looking at the back, they got this in like so many different languages. So I was trying to look at the English, you know, what it said in English, but I found it. It has a vector motor, a DLC zirconia blade, lithium battery, charge time 1.5 hours. It comes with a charging base, 8 magnetic guards, brush oil lid, universal USB-C cable, and gold cutting blades. So this is the back, as y'all can see. Check that out. We got some stuff on the side. Let's go ahead and read some of the stuff on the side. Vector motor technology, blue zirconia diamond blades. To me, that seems like it's a new type of blade, a blue zirconia diamond blades. I've never heard of those. If you heard about those, let me know down in the comments. LED digital display, long-lasting battery, USB-C cable, and it does also come with additional cutting blades. So that's pretty dope. On the back, when it talks about the blade a little bit, it says, crafted from advanced zirconia material, these cutting blades offer unmatched durability and precision. Renowned for its exceptional hardness, zirconia ensures a long-lasting sharp edge that maintains consistent performance even under heavy use. So these things should stay sharp for a good amount of time, but that's what it says on the back of this. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing, man. The reason why y'all clicked on this video. So check it out. We're gonna open this up. I can't even see what's inside. Y'all seeing it before me. Can y'all see anything? Oh, check that out. I don't want to drop the stuff in here. So let's go ahead and look at some of the stuff in here. So once you open it, it does say product accessories right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it tells you what comes in the box basically. So like I said earlier, it comes with 8 combs, a USB-C cable, a premium brush, an oil bottle, gold cutting blades, a screwdriver, instruction manual, and a black lid. That way you can change it from the white lid to the black lid, as y'all can see. But let's go ahead and get this thing up out of here. All right. So as y'all can see, I have the clipper right here. And once again, man, I did get this from FW Barber Supply, Fort Worth Barber Supply. So if you are interested in not just this tool, I'm ripping the bag. But if you are interested in not just this tool, but any tools, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website to save yourself some money. But let's go ahead and check out this new Disruptor ZR clipper from Caliber. Check that out, man. As you can see, it does have a blade cover on there. They're trying to protect it a little bit, but let's go ahead and pop that thing off. Let's actually check out the blade. So check that blade out. That's the blade that comes with it. We have the blue zirconia blade, and I'm not gonna lie, man, this thing looks really, really zero gap. I don't know if y'all can see the blade, but it's closed and it's pretty close, man. I know it's trying to focus on the background and stuff, but if y'all can see it, let me know down in the comments. If not, it's all good. But it looks like it's gapped pretty close, man. Off the rip, feeling it, no lie, kind of feels like the Metal Instinct or maybe even the Instinct X, right? Feels really similar to that. Clicks feel a little different. Clicks feel nice though. Yeah, the clicks feel really nice on it. We have an on and off switch on the side right here. We can kind of see the motor. We have that little lightning bolt in the middle as well. Check that out right there. I don't know if y'all can see that on the camera due to the glare. We got an LED screen right here. What else we got? We have USB-C charging at the bottom. So is the charger just USB-C now? Oh, you know what? It's a USB-C charging. Check it out. And then you see these two little things on the side. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this little thing and that little thing, it's like magnetic charging type deal. I guess that's what you can call it. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but that's how you would charge it. But check it out once again, the Disruptor ZR from Caliber. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing on. I ain't turned it on yet, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it on and see how this thing sounds. Surprisingly, it's actually a little more quiet than I thought it was gonna be. As you can see now with the switch on, we have the LED screen lit up. That way you can actually see how much time you got left. Well, not time, but it's 93% charged. But that's the clipper, man. Ergonomically, I want to say it feels okay in the hand. Weight-wise, it feels good. And body-wise, it feels good, but I wish it had a little bit of like grooves on it. That way it can just fit a little more comfortably in the hand. Not saying that it doesn't feel comfortable, but I think if they would put some grooves on here, you know, maybe some back thumb grooves, maybe a little thumb indentation, something, I think it'd feel a little more comfortable. But as far as weight, I like the weight on it. I like the actual, the thickness, the thickness of the clipper. Like it feels good in hand. I like the blue lever that kind of matches, well, it doesn't kind of, it does match the blue blade on there, the zirconia blade. So that's pretty dope, right? It sounds good, man. I think the metal body kind of helps with the noise of this clipper, makes it not sound too loud. All in all, man, it sounds pretty good, feels pretty good in hand. You know, we're gonna take this to the shop and check it out later on today. But let's continue unboxing what we got in the box. As you can see, we do have a black lid and a charger, so let's go ahead and get that out of here just so we can check those out. So here is the black lid. I think the clipper would look, in my opinion, would look better with the black lid opposed to the white lid, but that's just my opinion. Obviously, everyone's gonna feel their own type of way about it. But here is the charging dock. Check it out. I don't know if y'all can see that. But here is the charging dock. Pretty traditional style charging dock, not too big. Clipper fits nicely in there. Obviously it does shake a little bit. It is gonna shake a little bit, but it's gonna charge up the clipper, and that's really all that matters, right? It don't matter if it shakes a little bit. But let's go ahead and move this thing out the way. So once I open it, this is what comes underneath that little plastic thing that's in the box. So we get some guards. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm gonna open up these guards. I ain't used these guards before. I'm trying to figure out what they kind of remind me of. Okay, yeah, they're kind of like the, in my opinion, this is my opinion, they look like the Gamma tight guards. That's just what I feel. Not saying they are, not saying they're not. I'm just saying that's what they kind of remind me of. So this is the one guard. Here is the 0.5 guard. Check that out. So to be 100% honest, I'm not sure why they would give you off-white guards with a white clipper. Like, I don't think that looks good, but as long as the you know, the guards get the job done, I guess that's really all that matters. Doesn't rattle with the guards on there, so that's pretty dope. That's the one guard. Let's put the half guard. Same thing with the half guard. Doesn't rattle, open, or close. So that's good, man, because I hate when my clipper starts rattling. So you get a set of guards. Once again, it says 8 comb attachments. So I'm assuming the half, the 1, the 1.5, the 2, the 3, the 4, maybe a 5 and a 6, or maybe a 6 and an 8. I don't know how they do it at Caliber. But I'm gonna be honest, I really don't use anything past the 4 guard. So that's just me though. But I'll go ahead and check out what size guards, what bigger guards come with it, because I know some of y'all are interested. So let me open up this package right here. So the bigger guards we have, it's gonna be the number 3 guard. We also get a number 4 guard, and then we get a 5 and a 6. So yeah, so I don't think a lot of clipper companies do the 6 and the 8 anymore. Maybe that's just Wall. I'm not sure, honestly. I mean, the 7 and the 8, I meant the 7 and 8, not the 6 and 8. But the 7 and 8, maybe that's just Wall, I don't know. But let's continue in looking at the box. We get this little operating manual that comes in the box as well, but we ain't ever gonna look at that. And then we get a box of accessories inside of the box. So let's go ahead and take out some of the stuff. So we do get a charging dock, or I'm sorry, a charging cord, which is basically a USB to a USB-C. And that's pretty dope, man. USB-C charging, I really enjoy USB-C charging, man. Like that, I like that you can just use one charger for a lot of different things. We also get a little brush that we're probably never gonna use. We get a different gold blade in case we wanna change the cutting blade out. We get a screwdriver right here, as y'all can see. Check that out. We get some more screws, I guess, in case you lose some screws. We get a little thing of oil, and then we get the charging brick to put the charging cord in. Oh, you know what's tight about this? Check, I didn't even notice that. So it comes with, I don't know if y'all can see that. It's got a regular USB, but you can take that part off and it makes it double USB-C. So that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope, man. That's pretty dope, Caliber. I see y'all. Maybe I'm just being a nerd right now. But nonetheless, man, that's everything that comes in the box. Let me move this box to the side so we can check out the clipper one more time. So check it out, the Caliber Disruptor ZR. You know how your boy's gonna do this, man. I'm gonna put this to work and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it later on, and then I will give y'all an updated review about 2 or 3 weeks after I've been using it, you know what I'm saying? So once again, this is the clipper. Sounds good, ergonomics pretty good. Wish they had a little more grooves to the clipper, just something that would feel a little more comfortable in hand. But other than that, I think it feels, you know, it feels pretty good. It don't feel bad. I'm excited to try this out and see how this works. But y'all know what it is, man. That's basically it for this video. Once again, if you want to purchase this tool or any tools, don't matter what tool you're trying to get, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website. That way you can save yourself a little bit of money upon purchasing, right? But yeah, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.